From early morning, the workshop starts to come alive. Each area begins moving with a clear purpose. In woodworking, the wood is measured, cut, and assembled with precision. In carving, details slowly begin to take shape, layer by layer. In sanding and polishing, surfaces are refined to reveal the true essence of the wood. In finishing, each coat adds depth, character, and protection. In metalwork, steel is transformed into structure, support, and design. And in upholstery, every stitch adds texture, comfort, and personality. Not everything is linear. It's a living process, made of adjustments, decisions, and constant attention to detail. Each piece passes through different hands. And in each hand, there is experience, time, and focus. Because here, it's not about speed. It's about doing things right. With intention. With respect for the material. And with a standard that remains in every creation. What you see is not just a workshop. It's a space where ideas become real objects. Where design takes shape. And where every day something is built to last. This is a day at Jorge Kurczyn Furniture. Real work. True craftsmanship. And dedication in every detail. Handcrafted, built to last.